Samsung redefined the smartphone world with its groundbreaking foldable phones, inspiring countless companies and pushing the boundaries of technology. Is Samsung falling behind the competition? Absolutely not. We have seen the Samsung Galaxy S24, and its design is eerily similar to the S23 Ultra. However, this will not be the case with the Z Flip 6 and Z Fold 6. Stay tuned until the end of this video because Samsung is planning major upgrades for their foldable duo in 2024. Even though the Galaxy Z Flip 6 and Galaxy Z Fold 6 are not expected to be released anytime soon, Samsung's gears are turning. Samsung has been improving its foldable technology, focusing on the hinges to ensure a seamless closure and the elimination of the visible gap. However, there is one sticking point: the infamous crease on foldable screens. The criticism is not limited to the Galaxy Z Fold 5. The Z Flip 5 received criticism for its camera and small cover screen. The exciting part is that change could be on the way next year. Samsung is going all in on innovation, pushing the boundaries even further with its next-generation foldable devices. According to rumors, the Galaxy Z Flip 6 will have a 3.9-inch cover screen, making it the largest in the flip phone category. That is even bigger than the 3.6-inch external display on the Motorola Razr Plus. To put it in perspective, it is almost as big as the screen on the iconic iPhone 5s. That is a game changer. But the Z Flip 6 is not just getting a bigger screen, it is also getting a better camera. After what feels like an eternity of relying on a 12-megapixel camera, Samsung is finally responding to the call for an upgrade. According to reports, the Z Flip 6 will feature a powerful 50MP primary camera. There have also been reports about Samsung's bold move to change the aspect ratio of the screens on the Z Fold 6. That's right. Samsung appears to be listening to user feedback. They are working on a cover screen that will not make you squint or struggle with daily tasks like typing. Finally, a Samsung foldable that fits perfectly. Like other foldable phones from rival brands with screens that look more like regular smartphones. That's not all. The Z Fold 6 may finally have room for the S Pen without the need for an additional case. It is all about blending creativity and productivity. Samsung is currently preoccupied with the Galaxy S24 series as its primary focus, so it will be some time before we learn more about the Galaxy Z Flip 6 and Galaxy Z Fold 6. But hey, worry not. As soon as those details start trickling in, we'll be right here to spill the beans. So, make sure you're subscribed and keep those notifications on. Thanks for tuning in. This is Techtics, signing off.